Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete blank rows automatically in Excel in just a few quick steps. First, select the data range that contains the blank rows you want to remove. Click and drag to highlight the entire range, or if you prefer, click on a single column that represents your data. You'll see the selected area highlighted with a border around it. Next, head to the Home tab and look for the Editing group on the far right side of the ribbon. Click on the Find and Select button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. If you want to save a click, you can press Ctrl+G on your keyboard instead, which opens the Go To dialog directly. From that menu, click Go To Special. This opens a new dialog box with multiple radio button options. If you use the Ctrl+G shortcut, you'll need to click the Special button at the bottom of the Go To dialog first. In the Go To Special dialog, click the Blanks Radio button. You'll see the circle fill in when it's selected. Now click OK at the bottom of the dialog. The dialog will close, and all the blank cells in your selected range will become highlighted. Excel has now selected every blank cell within the range you chose. With those blank cells selected, go back to the Home tab and find the Cells group, which is towards the right side of the ribbon. Look for the Delete button and click the small drop-down arrow below it, not the button itself. This opens a menu with delete options. From that menu, select Delete Sheet Rows. The empty rows will be removed immediately, and your data will shift up to fill the gaps. Now here are a few important things to know. First, this method will delete any row that contains at least one blank cell, even if other columns in that row have data. So if you have a row where some cells are filled and some are blank, that entire row will be deleted. Make sure you check your selection before deleting to avoid losing important data. Second, Delete Sheet Rows removes entire rows across the whole worksheet. If you have data in columns that are off to the right, outside your visible area, those will be deleted too. To avoid this, it's a good idea to save your file before starting, or save a copy as backup. After deleting, take a moment to verify that the correct rows were removed and no important data disappeared. If you accidentally deleted the wrong rows, press Ctrl+Z to undo immediately. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.